Hello friends and welcome to Digimento. So today we will be discussing about the new exam dates announced by the government. So NTA UGC NET examination June 2020 examination date is out now, and you know that there was a lot of uncertainties around this issue because we all were expecting that maybe the exam can get even further postponed because of the COVID issues and the uncertainties around it. But now the NTA has announced the date of the examinations, so it's high time that you move into serious preparations, revision of what you have already prepared. So we will be discussing a bit about that, and we will also be discussing about the new dates and how you can utilize the next few days to get the maximum score and how to capitalize your efforts and all that. We will be having a very small discussion today. So let's move on to the video. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel UGC NTA NET Computer Science, please do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for receiving the notifications. And we have also prepared content, online content for GATE, NTA, UGC NET and PGT Computer Science. If you want to avail our online courses, you can visit our website www.digimento.com, or you can call to this number for getting more details about the courses that we provide to you. So I think we will first come to the exam dates. So NTA has announced the date of the examination. So the UGC NET examination for June 2020, it will be conducted on 16 to 18th of September 2020 and 21 to 25th of September 2020. So the uncertainty is now over. It's hardly 1 month ahead for your examination. So the countdown has already started, 30 days or even less than that. So it's high time that you move into serious preparations, and you can receive or you can get the notifications, details and everything from the website ugcnet.nta.nic.in, and this is the official email ID ugcnet@nta.ac.in. So you can write to this email ID if you have any queries, and for more details you can also visit this website ugcnet.nta.nic.in. Now a few things related to this. So this is the dates of various examinations to be conducted by the NTA. So National Testing Agency, the NTA, has announced the dates of various examinations that are to be conducted. So the Delhi University entrance test and the then Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR's UG course, then IGNOU's MBA Open Math MBA entrance examination, then All India Ayush Postgraduate Entrance Test, IGNOU PhD entrance examination, then the JRF, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, again the master's degree, and also the JRF. So all these tests will be conducted very soon. So if you are preparing for other exams also, whether it is exams conducted by NTA or other competitive exams, then also one thing that you remember is that since many of the agencies and many of the organizations, exam conducting organizations have announced the dates, every possibility is that all the exams will be now conducted very soon. Even the UPSC has announced the next year calendar, 2021 calendar, which means that even UPSC is planning to conduct the prelims on date, that is on October 4th. So all the agencies and all the institutions responsible for conducting the test will be conducting, including IBPS or anything if you're preparing for. So be prepared and do not waste any of your time. It's high time that you start your preparations. We will just read it. Keeping in view the academic interest of large number of students. Now here one thing is that if you have read the newspapers recently, 2 days back there was a Supreme Court judgment. So Supreme Court judgment said that all the exams has to be conducted very soon because it is on the academic interest of a large number of students. There are a large number of students who were preparing for the examination, and we cannot compromise with the academic interest of the students. So this was a Supreme Court judgment given 2 days back, and based on this judgment only various agencies have now announced the dates of the examinations. So the Ministry of Home Affairs has agreed to the proposal of MHRD that is the MOE for conducting various entrance examinations in the month of September 2020. Accordingly, in modification of dates announced earlier in the consultation with respective admitting user organizations, the NTA, that is the National Testing Agency, has decided to conduct the following examinations. So it was actually based on the Supreme Court judgment that the MHRD has decided to conduct various tests, and accordingly MHRD has given instructions to various institutions and various organizations responsible for conducting the test. And you can download the admit cards and all. So now it's not open. The downloading of admit cards and the admit cards containing the roll number, the center of the examination, the date of the examination, the shift, that is either the morning or afternoon shift, timing will commence about 15 days before the date of examination on respective official websites. So I have already given you the official website, that is ugcnet.nta.nic.in. So this is our official website for NTA NET examination. So 15 days prior to the examination, the admission cards will be uploaded on this website, which you can download, and the admit card will give you all the details regarding your roll number, your center, your date of examination, the shift timing, etc. So students can visit the respective websites, and the websites will give you further information. So a few more things which I want to add along with this notification or with this public notice. First thing is that many of the students must have been expecting that the exams will be conducted very late, at least after November or December. So this is a personal feedback which I got from many students. So many students told me personally that exams could be conducted only after November or December, and so many of you were in a slow mode of preparation, or your preparation speed was very low. I know that personally. So those students who were not into full-fledged preparation still now there is again 30 more days or around 30 days left. So it's high time that you speed up your preparations. Please, some suggestions. One is that you have your paper 1 and paper 2, especially in paper 2, that is your subject of expertise. So you must have already studied it in your college when you did your UG and PG. So revision is very important. Don't think that paper 2 is your subject of expertise, so you know and you can simply write the exam. It's very important that you again and again revise it. So revision is very important, especially when it comes to paper 2. Now regarding paper 1, we are providing classes for paper 1 general subjects which are included in paper 1, like the development, people, the higher education system, the teaching aptitude, logical reasoning. For all that we are providing the online content. It's available on YouTube for free. You can access that. You can also share it with your friends so that they will also get benefited. So please give equal weightage or equal importance to paper 1 and paper 2. Both are very important. And paper 2, as you have already studied these subjects at the college level, it's very important for you to revise the paper 2. Okay, paper 1 also, please do not go without any basic studies or basic reading, or you can even watch the videos which are available on our YouTube channel. So please be prepared. So even without basic preparations, please do not go for attending the paper 1 also. So it's okay. Don't get tense now that you have wasted all your time thinking that the exams will not happen in the near future. Now there is no point in wasting your time thinking about what you did not do in the past. Now you have 30 days, around 30 days in your hand. Make maximum utilization of it without any tensions. Whatever is left, now we have 30 days. Give your full into this 30 days and finish your preparation and then revise it again and again. Now, second thing is that, okay, so this is the first thing. And the second thing, how to make use of this 30 days. So this 30 days you have to make your own timetable for the entire 30 days. Also, please try to set daily targets and weekly targets. Apart from this 30 days timetable, try to set the daily and weekly targets, and please adhere to this or stick on to this. Make sure that you achieve the targets every day, daily targets and the weekly targets. So this is what you can do, and we are all there to help you. So you can contact us anytime if you need any help in your preparations. So you can contact us through our Telegram channel, or you can leave a email, or you can comment on the live classes. You can join and you can comment. So 30 days, make use maximum. And also those who are preparing for other exams, please be sure that the exams will be conducted very soon in the near future itself. So be prepared for that. I wish you all the best, and I am making live lessons every day at 7 p.m. and if there is any changes in the timings, we will update it in the Telegram group. So paper 1, I am taking up paper 1 unit 9 and 10. So you can join the classes, and any doubts you can comment over the live chat session. We are all there to help you, and all the best for your preparations. I hope you will do very well, and we are there with you. So thank you so much, and share this video with your friends if you have liked it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.